My name is Brian Armstrong. Let me ask you a question. What if you woke up tomorrow morning, made yourself a cup of coffee, turned on your computer, and YouTube was gone? No channel, no subscribers, no videos. Everything you had worked so hard to build had disappeared. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but it does raise an interesting question. What would happen to your business? If your answer is, I'd have to start all over again, then today's video is for you. One of the biggest mistakes I see beginners make is building their entire business on social media. Whether it's YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or any other platform. They're all great tools. I use them myself. But here's the problem. You don't own any of them. The platform owns the audience. They decide what people see. They decide who sees your content, and they can change the rules at any time. That's why successful online businesses don't rely on social media alone. They build something they actually own, an email list. Think of your email list as your contact list. These are people who have said, yes, I'd like to hear from you. No algorithm decides whether your message gets delivered. No platform decides whether your subscribers can hear from you. You have a direct way to stay in touch. That's incredibly valuable. Social media is a wonderful place to meet new people. But your email list is where you build long-term relationships. One brings people to you, the other helps you stay connected. That's why I encourage every new affiliate marketer to start building an email list as early as possible, even if it's small, even if you only have 10 subscribers. Because one day, those 10 subscribers may become 100, then 1,000. Every successful email list starts with the very first subscriber. Now, I'd like to hear from you. If YouTube disappeared tomorrow, what would happen to your business? Would you still have a way to stay connected with your audience? Think about it. Let me know in the comments below. I'd really like to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Be sure to click on the link in the description and take the free 10-minute commission challenge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.